Ever dreamt of seamlessly transforming your stunning Figma creations into a fully functional live Webflow website? Today, we're unlocking that magic. Our journey begins in Figma, where your vision takes shape. The key to a smooth transition lies in organizing your design meticulously. Ensure your layers are named logically. Your frames represent distinct sections, and that your spacing and alignment are consistent. Think of it as laying a perfect blueprint for Webflow. Now, let's enter the realm of Webflow. The most efficient method is to directly import your Figma file. Webflow has a built-in importer that understands common design elements. Simply navigate to the Add Element panel, locate the Import option, and select your Figma file. Webflow will then attempt to reconstruct your design elements, from text boxes to images and buttons. Once imported, you'll see your design come to life within Webflow. This is where the real magic happens. You'll need to refine and connect these imported elements. Click on each element to access its properties panel here. You can adjust styles, add interactions, and even link elements to create navigation. For instance, select a button in Webflow, and then use the element settings to define its click action, perhaps linking it to another page or triggering an animation. To ensure your design remains scalable and easy to manage, leverage Webflow's power of classes as you refine elements. Assign descriptive classes to them. This allows you to style multiple elements consistently and make global changes later. You can even map existing Figma styles to Webflow classes for a quicker setup. A crucial step is making your website responsive. Webflow excels at this. You'll see different device previews within the designer. Adjust your elements and layout for each breakpoint. A circumflex euros. Desktop, tablet, and mobile. This ensures your design looks incredible no matter the screen size, adapting beautifully for your users. Finally, the moment of truth. With your design meticulously translated and responsive adjustments made, it's time to set your website free. Click the Publish button. You can publish to a Webflow subdomain for immediate viewing, or connect your custom domain for a professional online presence. And there you have it. Your Figma masterpiece is now a live, interactive Webflow website, bridging the gap between your design concept and a powerful online reality. Start transforming your ideas into pixels and then into experiences.